Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the console or installing the accepted mod so commands are available. This gives you direct control of the game state. Press the assigned key, often the backtick, to open the input line. Once done, make sure you save the run first so you can revert if needed. You will type short commands. This prevents long delays. Practice opening and closing the console a couple times so your hands and eyes get used to the keyboard flow before you execute impactful commands. You now put commands into practice. Type give plus the item ID to spawn pickups or items and hit enter to apply them instantly. Then try set or modify to change HP, damage, speed, or tiers for experimentation. This shows you how the game responds. If you need multiple effects, separate commands with semicolons and run them in one go. This saves time and keeps results consistent. Make sure to watch the immediate feedback so you learn which commands do what. You finish by closing the console and validating the changes during gameplay. Play a short section to confirm stats, items, or events behaved as expected. If something breaks or the game hangs, reload the save you made earlier or restart the game to return to a stable state. In case of unexpected results, review and log the exact commands you used so you can reproduce or undo them. This habit saves time and prevents accidental permanent changes to your runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.